Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a golf club. Let's start with grip replacement. First, carefully assess your current grip for any signs of wear or damage. Next, use a utility knife to safely remove the old grip, then clean the shaft thoroughly with solvent. Apply new grip tape evenly, then slide on your fresh grip, making sure it's perfectly aligned for optimal feel and performance. Next, let's tackle shaft damage. Begin by inspecting the shaft for any cracks, dents, or significant bends. Minor dents can often be addressed with a specialized shaft repair kit or a strong epoxy. However, if the shaft is severely bent or broken, it's best to replace it entirely. Carefully remove the old shaft and install a new one, ensuring a secure fit. Now, let's focus on restoring your club head. Examine it closely for any scratches, dents, or loose components like weights or ferrules. Minor scratches can often be smoothed out using fine grit sandpaper. If any parts are loose, re-epoxy them securely to prevent further damage. Always remember to clean the club head thoroughly after completing any repairs to maintain its appearance and function. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your golf clubs to extend their lifespan. Always clean your clubs after every round to prevent dirt and grime buildup. Store them in a dry, temperature-controlled environment to avoid material degradation. Regularly check for any loose screws or worn components. For more complex issues, or if you're unsure about a repair, consider seeking a professional inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.